Maybe the greatest innovation in all of the Easton University sales process in the last at least 2 or 3 years. Turbocharging your deals. I want to make sure you guys are doing it. We talked about it a couple weeks ago. This is massive. This is huge. This will get you more deals. When you are following up, when you are reaching out to a prospect, somebody you've already talked to, asterisk, somebody you've already talked to. Although this is super powerful, you can't use it when cold calling. We're going to do our normal follow-up of, does it make sense to blank? Does it make sense to sign the agreement? Does it make sense to get this in front of the board? Does it make sense to have your spouse look at it? Whatever it is that you want them to do. You're going to ask them, does it make sense to do that? Why? It's not pushy. It's not manipulative. You're really not asking them to do anything, so it puts you in the right position. But we're going to put a caboose on the end of that engine so this train can get us more deals. Does it make sense to blank so you can blank? Let's talk about that. But first, let me give you some examples. Hey, Robert, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University, calling to see if it makes sense to get you access to the sales coaching so we can help you achieve that $750,000 in income for the year. Hey, Paul, Matt Easton, founder of Easton Software, calling to see if it makes sense for us to build the app so you guys can avoid another $400,000 in fines from OSHA. Hey, Steve, Matt Easton with Easton Billing, calling to see if it makes sense for us to take over your patient billing so you guys can recover that additional 7% that you're losing right now in unpaid invoices. Okay? When we put the caboose on the front of the engine, does it make sense? It makes it a whole lot easier for them to see that, yes, it does make sense. I want to make $750,000 a year. I want to avoid another fine from OSHA. Are they here? Put your hard hat on, guys. I need those 8% of invoices that don't get paid. I'm calling to see if it makes sense to get this in front of the board so we can get the software in place and you guys can achieve your goal of 10% top line revenue increase before the end of 2023. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. This is the most powerful innovation that I have seen in the last 2 or 3 years. If you guys have questions on the engine, does it make sense to blank, or on how you can make sure that you know what the hell you're talking about with the caboose so you can blank, I'm here to give you answers. We can walk through your personal things here and I'll help get you there. What questions do you guys have for me? If you are worried about your career in sales, you should be. Over the last 3 weeks, I've been brought into 7 of the top employers of sales professionals just like you. And there's a common theme with every single company that we're gonna start seeing right now. Sales reps are either going to get removed, their job is gonna be gone, they're gonna be replaced, they're looking for new people that do it, or they're going to be rewarded. We've entered an age where you simply can't depend on your company to keep giving you handouts and support. You need to take matters into your own hands. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales training in the world. We're gonna show you how to prospect, how to close, how to negotiate. We're gonna show you how to make twice as much as you're making right now in sales within 60 days. You're gonna have access to an online learning portal and you're gonna have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You're gonna be around top performers from every single industry, people that are making mid-6 figures and even 7 figures a year in sales. Click the link here to learn how you are about to become a certified master sales consultant. While everybody else is worrying about their jobs being removed, while everybody else is worrying about somebody coming in and replacing them, you are about to be rewarded. If you're excited about your career as a certified master sales consultant, you should be. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.